have today to read these really great books. LUIS Aguilar-MORENO, who's a great second grade teacher in arts and letters, Clinton Hill. Along with him will be Grace Law, one of my former students. Give a little bit of the Chinese interpretation of our stories we want.
Well, good afternoon. I'm very happy to be here. I think that this project that Graham and everyone else, all of you are taking on is very important. I think that this is one of the best neighborhoods not only in Brooklyn, not only in New York, but in the world perhaps, where we have two strong languages, like I guess would be called Mandarin, and then Spanish can come together with English to make things even stronger for Brooklyn, for New York. And that's where the real power of this city and this country is. Pero para los chiquitines, for you, I have this wonderful book, and we're going to be reading this. I'm going to be sharing this book with you. It's called The Many Faces of Max. Las muchas caras de Max. Este perrito tiene muchas caras. This little puppy has a lot of faces. I wonder what kind of faces what kind of faces do you think you're going to see in this book? ¿Qué tipos de caras vamos a ver? ¿Qué ustedes creen? What do you guys think? Do you think we're going to see a happy face from Max? ¿Una carita feliz? ¿Tú crees que Max va a tener una carita feliz? Yo creo que sí. Do you think you're going to see a happy face from Max? What about you? Yeah, right? Okay. What about you guys? You think you're going to see a happy face from Max?
Oh, an angry face?
Maybe. Let's find out. Okay, The Many Faces of Max. This book is written by Katherine Del Monte. That's a Spanish last name. Katherine Del Monte. And is illustrated by Susan Arena. She's also a Spanish last name. Some days I love to be silly. Some days I just love to be silly. Algunos días me gusta ser juguetón. Juguetón significa que le gusta jugar mucho, ¿no? Silly. How do we know that he's being silly? You want to tell us? How?
I think he is kind of.
He is, right? Do you see puppies do that sometimes? I'm shy when I meet new people. I'm shy when I meet new people. Soy tímido cuando conozco a gente nueva. ¿Tus hijitas hablan español?
Sí. También inglés.
También inglés. Qué bueno. Tímido. Si es una niña, tiene que ser tímida. ¿Verdad? El niño tímido y la niña tímida. I cry when I hurt myself. I noticed that the word is in blue. Blue color, I just noticed that. Lloro cuando me lastimo. ¿Cómo tú crees que suena un perrito cuando llora? How do you think he sounds like? Yeah. Do you know how a doggy sounds when he's hurt? Can you say it? Can you sound it out? Say it.
Can you make dog crying?
That watch the developmental experience. I'm gonna make you cry.
Ah, mira, está llorando el perrito, pobrecito. Oh, he's sad when his family goes away. Se siente triste cuando su familia se va. Le dicen adiós y el perrito se queda triste porque ellos se van.
In Chinese, it would be 我屋企人唔喺屋企嗰陣時，我就會好傷心，唔開心。
Watch out when I'm hungry. Cuidado cuando tengo hambre. Do you think that doggies really get hungry? Do you think that doggies love to eat? Huh? What do you think he's eating? I think he wants to eat this sweet bone. I think that bone is made out of chocolate. What do you think? Of dog food. Look how he's standing. Can doggies stand up like this?
Yeah.
They can. They can, right? See?
Yes, real dog.
Oh, look, he's all happy now again. I am joyful when my family comes back home. I am joyful, or I am happy when my family comes back home. Me siento bien alegre cuando mi familia regresa a la casa. ¿Lo has visto saltar a los perros a veces así? They jump, right? Really high?
Yeah,
They
they do.
do, right? When they're happy. They're very happy. Get warm up. Most mornings I wake up with a smile. Most mornings the doggy does wake up with a smile. He's ready to greet the day. He's like, can you show me a smile? Nice smile. Nice smile. Nice smile. ¿Puedes sonreírte, por favor? Smile for me. A little more. Yay! Oh, look at him. Or her. My friends make me laugh. Oh boy. When doggies get together, do they become really happy? Do you think they laugh sometimes?
Yeah, I do.
You do? What about you?
I don't think they laugh.
You don't think they laugh? What's your name? Gabriela doesn't think puppies laugh or doggies laugh. What is your name?
Kian.
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 But it's just, yeah.
Kian, okay.
But it's especially spelled Cheyenne too.
Thank you for sharing. What is your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? Rosy? ¿Cómo? Lucy. Perdón, ¿cómo? Habla más fuerte. ¿Ah? ¿Cómo? Daisy. Daisy, la tercera es la vencida. ¿Y tú cómo te llamas? ¿Perdón? JD. Mucho gusto, yo me llamo Luis. It makes me happy to chase the ball. How would we say that in Mandarin?
In Mandarin?
Uh-huh.
可以追那个球，我很开心。
Can you say it a little louder and slower? I really want to know.
It would be 可以追那个球，我很开心。
Nice. It makes me happy to chase the ball. Me hace feliz perseguir la pelota. Los perros le encantan las pelotas. ¿Por qué tú crees que les encanta las pelotas a los perros?
Sí.
Sí. ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué les encanta a los perros las pelotas?
The balls are their
The balls are their
toys.
toys, so they're just completely attached to them. Why do you think that they love pelotas?
Because they really want to play.
Because they really, really want to play. Doggies are just so playful. They want to play with their friend, right? Like with us, when we throw the ball at them. Ah, the best feeling in the world is being loved. El mejor sentimiento del mundo es ser amado. Que alguien nos quiera, que nos haga sentir bien. Y está el corazoncito ahí. Look at the heart of love there. Y colorín colorado, este cuento se ha acabado. And so it goes. This story is now done. ¿Te gustó el cuento? Ah, qué bien. Did you like the story? You like Max's many faces? Thank you. You like Max's many faces? Great children. They all get A's.